Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are in PNCA, 15 February 2025. Eurovillage, European Union. Welcome to the Eurovillage Stronger Together. This is the starting point in PNCA. Let's go inside. Okay, this is the inside Eurovillage welcome poster in PNCA, National Art Gallery, Pakistan National Council of the Arts. And you can see stronger. And welcome note. This is a foreigner. Tell us, this event is held in
Eurovillage,
yes,
where you can learn more about European Union and the cooperation of European Union in Pakistan. There are some stalls where you can learn about the projects that European Union is doing here in Pakistan, and also you can find stalls of the member states of European Union where you can learn more about the culture, the food, the studying programs, and all other things. So please go and check that out.
Are we having a good time?
stall.
That's more like it. Alright, so please be
Pakistan and
seated,
European
enjoy yourselves,
Union
comfortable in the seat
flags are on the cakes. The stall of Ireland, where they inform the island. This is the Belgium stall.
Thank you. Abhi le lo.
And other things. The stall of Bulgari.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I kindly request you all to rise as we honor.
For the interview.
Dr. Reena Kiyonka, the investor of the European Union,
I think this is
please
now
come on stage and join us and have a
They
few
are
words with
fulfilling
us.
the
Put your hands together.
only their formalities. And you can see that. Please tell us, what is the main central idea of this stall? What kind of facilities you provide in this event from the Denmark?
So we're here from the Denmark Embassy, here at the Eurovillage. We're displaying the key areas that Denmark works in, which are sustainability, green energy, and like sustainability. So we're displaying different items and things related to Denmark. We had a word puzzle related to Denmark. Then we had a Danish game called Keemslæg over here for the people to play. And we're also giving some Danish sweets like cinnamon rolls and Danish butter cookies for the winners. And I think it's a great initiative.
I think this is not a food or these kind of things. What kind of facilities, like if from the Denmark and someone want to apply in for the job, for the other things in Denmark, so directly he found common Pakistani without consultancy in Denmark companies work or not. These kind of information, it is important for the...
Yeah, it is important, but I think this event is more like a cultural event. We're displaying the cultural aspects of Denmark over here rather than the work information or any visa information. So I think it's important for equally important for people to know what Denmark is really about. If they want to work or study there over there in the future, so they would know better.
But don't you think that in these kind of events, if someone some kind of information for the common Pakistani, it is important or not, in your opinion?
Yes, it is important, and we are trying to guide them as much as possible on our behalf.
But I asked the question for the direct jobs in Denmark companies, how he apply and how he is approached. So you say this is the culture.
Yeah, so like over here we have Novo Nordisk, which is a Danish company as well, working here in Pakistan, and they're guiding people on.
This is common question that there are the companies and there are they need the labor from these kind of countries like Pakistan, India, Bangladesh. So why not you give us this kind of information?
I think this Euro Village that was happening, the main theme.
This is the Finland stall. We go and ask what kind of facility for the comparison. Mr. Ombre, tell us, in this event in PNC today, they held in the PNCA from the Euro Village, from the Finland, what kind of facilities provided to the common Pakistani here, on information or without the culture, what kind of facility you provide in this stall?
At the Finnish stand, we are offering a couple of quizzes. Those who get at least 3 answers correct for questions related to Finland will win a t-shirt. We have lots of information on studies in Finland, living in Finland, families, equality.
One question from my side, Pakistani, from the common Pakistani. Tell us, is there any facility in your country? There are a lot more companies, they hire the persons directly, not between the company and a person, no consultancy and other things. So these kind of facility you provide for the Pakistani common people?
Sorry, I don't understand the question.
The question is that
about Finnish companies?
Yeah, the Finnish company from the Finland.
Yeah,
from the Finland.
From Finland.
Finland, they provide the facility direct hiring from the...
No, we don't have any hiring programs in Finland.
In Finland?
Yes. There is very little opportunity for any direct hiring in Finland. But companies are doing it themselves. The embassy is not involved in any way in any hiring schemes. Pakistan has lots of scams related to jobs. These are not genuine. We do not have any hiring scheme.
In Finland. Okay. Thank you very much, sir. This is Australia. Shut your stall and let's go inside. Basic bad thing here. This is only lollipop which they have fulfilling Pakistani people. Give them some kind of things and not providing the Spanish stall. They provide some kind of. No one give us information because they only full the France stall and let's go and ask them what they. You are from France embassy.
No, we are not from actually France embassy. We are from Alliance Française Islamabad, and we are promoting here French language and culture. We are doing lucky draw as well here. Those 3 lucky winners, we will give them a free French language session. Also, we are introducing some French taste breads and croissants. And
not information of apply in France and.
We do have a team as well here, Campus France. They are here for the. They are promoting French.
Here not outside.
No. Here. In the next counter, we have a Campus France team as well here.
John, tell us from the geese in this stall, what kind of services you provide here?
So we have these small puzzles for the children to make, and if they got it right, we offer them a T-shirt or a cap, or a badge, or a cup to have their chai here in Pakistan.
From Pakistan. Okay. This is only this game.
Just this game, yeah, but different ones, different sorts of puzzles.
Hungary, and Hungary is given, and Germany. Both are here.
Anna.
Anna.
Yes.
Miss Anna, will you tell me that from the Germany this stall, what kind of facility you provide here?
So basically the stall is representing Germany, and we have like a small puzzle with the German flag on it, and kids are enjoying it. As you can see, they're still making it. Then we also brought some German food like Reibekuchen, Apfelstrudel.
This is cultural event.
Yes, it's traditional German food basically.
Okay.
And we also have like one football wall, which is a very popular German game. It's right there, and people are playing it and they're showing their football expertise.
Football is there, and moreover, just like for the Pakistani information, like in Germany, there are a lot more companies, and someone want to apply there directly, not consultancy and other things.
Yes,
then these kind of facility from your.
Go to the Germany, they should definitely visit our website. All the information is there. Please, I would say just avoid any sort of agents. Just go to the website. All the information are there. Everything is there. Literally, which documents are required. What's the visa fee? No need to pay any extra money to anybody. Just go to the website, read the instructions, follow it.
But you look like Pakistani.
I am Pakistani.
You are Pakistani.
Yes.
But you said your name Anna and you're from the Germany.
I work for the German embassy, but I'm Pakistani.
साहब ये बताएं कि आज इस इवेंट में आप जर्मन के कुक हैं, तो आपको कैसा लगा ये सारा इवेंट को कवर करके और इतना खाना बनाकर?
मज़े का एंजॉय किया, लोग आप देख लें।
अच्छा,
बाद में आए हुए हैं।
How many time you work with the German embassy?
Like 15 years.
15 years last.
Yeah.
And you are Pakistani from Islamabad.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much. This is the German cook and chef, or this is the kitchen of in this event. Sweden stall in this event from Sweden.
Yes.
What kind of facilities and what kind of information you provide here in Cultural Day?
Well, it's Sweden Day. It's kind of a Euro village, so all the 28 countries of the European Union, they're representing their culture, their identity, and their different types of stuff that are present in their country. So we're also doing some kind of activities. We have three activities that are Sweden's innovation and technology, then Sweden's culture and language, and Sweden's inventions. So people are trying to guess the correct answers, and if they guess correct answers, they get a small prize.
Okay, thank. This is the Netherlands hall. The Netherlands. Money has run away. Miss Surya, would you tell me what kind of facility provide here you in all a day?
Okay, so we have two sections. One was the exhibition section, in which we provided cork products of Portugal. We also provided the Portuguese embroidered product. And
from the embassy of
Portugal. I am Huria from the embassy of Portugal. So we have these things, cork products and embroidered items, and ceramic products of Portugal for our exhibition.
And we go to the this is the lollipop. Information. They only give the. This is the Mazan teacher resource certificate and you are the Czech Republic ambassador. Please tell me that regarding to this stall and this event and PNCA going on, so what kind of facilities you provide here from the Czech Republic?
Yeah, we are the proud member of the European Union since 2004, and regularly we participate in this Euro Village. At this stall today we had a cut-off of our famous tennis couple Maka Siniakova. We had also some bowling, and we gifted the people with the t-shirts with the Czech logo what I am wearing here. So I hope that the people enjoy it and found out something new about the Czech.
Regarding to this event, how do you find this event? Even they don't give any kind of information like their embassies or only they give the Pakistanis some kind of food or these kind of things, not give any kind of information. So how do you find this?
It's the most awaited event of Islamabad. I visit this event almost every year. They are organizing this event for the last 5-6 years, and it's a very well organized event by the European Union, where you can find stalls of different European countries, about more than 20 European countries, member of EU, and they have organized it in a very well mannered, and I've visited different stalls of countries. They have been very kind to give us free gifts to the kids. They were also having some quiz for the kids. So I think it's a very well organized event.
These are the stalls. And if you don't mind, some kind of comments regarding to this event. Some kind of comment if you want to give us. Thank you.
बस मुंह ही गर्म करना समझ लो है।
हाँ जी चाचू जी
की यार ने खाया खरीदे हैं है वरना अल्लाह का शुक्र है।
एक कप 250 का है
सिर्फ
जान दे सानू 5 हो गए जान दे नू।
This is the food area of this event. Fatma, would you tell me how do you find this event?
I find it from Instagram ad, so I just apply in volunteership.
Okay, now how do you find these kind of events?
This is so good.
So good,
Yeah.
so informative.
So informative. People are coming right now, and they are so informative.
That's not administrative. It's good. And the security is very tight, but not they are cooperative and